Hello, welcome, this is Dion, and tonight we're going to play some 20 Minutes Till Dawn. We are going to play with Shana. These are the rules that we're going to rock it with today, and we are going to play with our revolver, just the standard in forest. And hopefully we will do a lot of work and it will kill the bosses. Kill these enemies a lot. And that will be pretty nice, right? Just keep on focusing, keep on killing, and then we are ready to keep on working on it. Not really seeing a bunch of early stuff, which is unfortunate. So I'm wondering, right? Do we want to go for this one? Or shall we just go for the power shot? I do think that I'm going to go for the power shot right now. And we are going to make it work, or we are not going to make it work, but that's the thing. That's what we will find out right soon. Staying close to the enemies right now, just so we can pick up as much of the experience as dropping as possible. And that should make it a bunch easier. Double shot, yes, why not? Just deal double damage. Not really, because you get a bit of damage down, but you will understand. Makes it a bunch easier to hit. Let's just get him close and then kill him. Yeah, it just takes one hit right now, but that's pretty good. I'll take some more damage, please. I'll take it. We are on a roll right now. Really killing them. See, the whip around likes to do you see how much more damage it is? It's amazing. There you go. Just let enemies come close and then clear them out. Let me see, do we have any way of increasing the amount of damage that we're doing? So, let me just reload a little bit faster. Will be helpful. Let's just walk a little bit. Just let them get close and then we'll clear them out again. Ah, that was unfortunate. I kind of want my best friend, right? Maybe. Soul Heart, no. I'll pick up the Reload right now. Keep on shooting, and let's let them get a little bit closer, right? There we are. Do we want any of these? I mean, Fanfire right now is okay, right? Or do we want to go for Kill Clip? I mean, Kill Clip is really good. So now we don't need to pick up the lightning, so that's at least a plus, right? We go. I'll pick up the Spitfire right about now. It's still a bunch of damage. We are. And even if it misses, it's fine, right? So look at me killing the boss just like that. Even gaining some more experience out of it. I mean, I did want to go for the Ghost Fairy this time around, so I'll pick it up. go. Just empty my ammo a bit faster. It's pretty good, and it will eventually help my ghost friend. Let's just walk a little bit. Let them group up a little bit and kill them closer. I'm going to upgrade myself over my ghost friend if I have the chance. Because you know it's just a friend, it's just here because we can. Because we were yet alone and we were like, nah, I'd rather not be alone. Right about now. There we go. What do we have here? I don't really want these, so let me try again. I'll pick up the splinter, or do I want to attack speed? I don't think so. Do I want the dark art? I mean, might be fine. Is it fine? The curse takes a long time for it to trigger. That's like the problem, right? But this is. Well, we're going to pick it up. We're going to pick it up. No, really. I don't like the top. Let's try to keep on walking in a triangle, like this. Alright, let's go. What do we have here? Bullet bounce is with fire rate is pretty good, but this is also bullet speed and max ammo. Both is fire rate up, so if I think about it like that, I think I'm going to pick up the bullet bounce first. It's a bit faster. At least the curses are doing work on the boss. Just 2 hits. So, no. Already triggered like 5 times already, I think. Yeah. Alright, we did a bunch of damage. Let's see, what can we get here? Move speed, tome of range, but less ammo? Don't think so. I like my damage. I like my damage, but I also like to walk. And I felt like this kept on messing with me. So we'll just have to go for the Tome of Might. He's got a little bit more HP. And a little bit more damage. It's flat damage, I believe. That's still pretty nice. Right now, we'll just keep on. Reroll a little bit. I'm gonna pick up the weather. Weather will increase the damage if you curse someone. What do we have here? Oh my god, I do kind of want the gun mastery. So I'm going to pick it up. Not really, I didn't really go for it, right? Not a conscious decision to prioritize those things. But it's nice to have, so yeah. See, that rounds. Ooh. Fine, I'll grab the curse damage first, and then hopefully the death rounds will spawn soon. Would be pretty nice if it will spawn, right? Again, return. There we go. Yes, there it is. That Blake. Oh. That's not the one that I wanted to go for, but it's apparently also one. I don't think I've really ever gone for that one. It's interesting. It is like probably really good. I was like, I'm like thinking, right? Do I need to go side magic? But on the other hand, maybe it's not that great because I already have a strength and diluting that is not that great. I mean, fine. I mean, it reduces my damage by a lot, but on the other hand, look at the amount of bullets it will spread. It's amazingly a lot. And it will spread the... what's it called? It will spread the plague. I think it's pretty good. And then it triggers, it kills something, it increases my damage perhaps. It's like 16 right now. 49, I don't know. Okay, so what do we have here? Bullet bounce. Your bullet bounce deals 20% more damage after every bounce. Or a headshot. Or volley. I mean, this is nice. This is also pretty cool, right? I mean, I like them all, and it's not like really. I'll go for the volley. Yeah, I'm quite happy with my choice, I think. Let's walk a little bit, see what we can get. Sure, why not? Make it a bit easier for them to die. Make it a bit easier for the enemies to die, even for this. I'm just now looking here in the corner, right, to see if something will happen. Splinter this. But like, why did the pick Splinter for this? You see the bullets all flying around, going all the ways. Bullets can trigger the curse. That will be amazing. That will be amazing by a lot. No, I'll remember Ghost Friend, why not? Oh yeah, I should roll for the damage, right? I think. Go around, or was it that black? I don't remember. I don't have go out, so let me just check out the synergy. Right about now. Dead rounds. Reaper rounds and light bullets. I do have Reaper rounds, right? Yeah, I got it here already. It's too bad it doesn't say the name. And yeah, I do have Reaper rounds because otherwise I couldn't pick up the death flag. And the light bullets is also this one. Yeah, okay. Should roll for that one. It will make it a lot easier. There we go. Roll. See. Oh, the game, yeah. The game is of course one of those that might have been good. Because then you have assassinate. Let's just walk a little bit around. Let's reroll. I'll take the holy shield. Walk in and shoot them dead, and then we walk again. I can use this experience. I can also use all this experience, to be honest. I mean, I can use all of experience. I wish there was like some character or something that had like a bird or something, you know, that just flew out and picked up the experience. Just one. Just for the change. Probability is 10% bad damage. Fire rate, right? Fire rate is my friend. How much damage do they do? 70 damage? Oh, that's pretty nice. I do like a lot of damage. Ooh. I was like, oh my god, it's coming to me. What am I going to do? I can't do anything, which was stupid, of course. Of course I understand. It's just a circle around, so there you go. That was a boss. Yeah, I can go for the Ascension. I can roll for it. Let's roll. The Ascension is now fine. I mean, I still have 8 minutes, right? I have a bunch of level ups. I'm only level 27, so I'll probably at least 3. I think we can make it work. Let's watch a little bit around and longer. I like the fact that you see the bullets like coming from off the screen and then return like that. There we go. Damage. Roll. Oh yeah. No, I'll pick up the death rounds right now over the Halo. Because you know I didn't pick it up previously. No, I'll pick it up right now. Look at the amount of damage it increased. I mean, it was immediately helpful instead of potentially helpful, right? And I think the immediately helpful in this case was more important to me. I have to be honest. And I have to be honest because that's my thing. Honesty is what's it called? Not a right. Good. It's a law. I don't know. It's just good to be honest. That's the thing. Yes, give me all that piece. Take it. I mean, the upgrade is OP, which just takes so long to get there. That's annoying. On the other hand, like in the end game, you have 40% increased experience gain. So yeah, it's good to. It's good to go for that then. Just keep on picking up all experience. I mean, I can't get everything right. It's because we are killing them too fast. Ooh, close. Let's go on back up again. There's some holders here. There we go. Roll. It's not all great. I'll pick up a little bit more HP. Because it increased my damage by 2. That was the only reason to pick up the HP. Can we just clear them out? Fanfire. I want it, but I want to reroll too. I'll take the take aim right now. Let's just walk away for a little bit. Because come on, really now? Lost me a bunch of HP. Let's keep on walking. I kind of expected it for it to already be dead, to be honest. I mean, I'll take it. We need to keep on moving. Circle around. Now we have the chance, right? Walk and shoot him. There we go. Vampire now. Reroll and hope for something better. Yes. That was it. And now we need to circle because it's annoying. But it drops it instead of that it what's it called? Just puts it on my body. I mean, yeah, I understand. It's flavor, maybe. But nah. Rather not. Because I lost it. Oh, there it is. There we go. Do you want any of these? Let's reroll. I'll pick this one. Fire rate, reload rate, vision rate. Yes. Look at it go. Look at this. Circle a bit around. And there we go. Triple upgrade, I'll take it. There we go. Does this also triple upgrade? Walk speed, no. Increased damage. Yes, I'll take Dome of Wind. Is it triple Dome of Wind? Oh my god! It works! I didn't know that. I didn't know that it worked like that. That is insane. So it's good if you know it's the last one and you wait for the boss drop and hope that it will be something nice. And then you can triple the boss drop. Huh. So interesting. Let's reroll. I mean, this is 2 HP or... I'll take the penetration right now. I mean, I don't really have a lot of move speed, right? Only 10% extra, I think. Because of the shield. Let's reroll. Pick up the Vampire. Oh yeah, yeah. Like 0%. Because I of course stand your ground, which reduces my move speed by 25%. I mean, this increases my damage, right? I think it's funny to finally win with hopefully, probably. I mean, enemies are not getting close, so I think it's fine to say right now we're probably going to win this round. Yeah. We're going to be happy about it. This is nice. I'll make my ghost a wizard with a cowboy hat. I do like that the wizard is a cowboy, right? So like, yeah. There we go. Let's go up. Keep on killing them. Increase my damage by 20%. See, now we suddenly pick up the movement speed. I'm like, yeah, 50% more damage, I'll take it. %, is a lot. But like, yeah, Shanna, it's nice because, you know, if you have the chance, you can really focus on this a lot. Assassin, 20%. You hit something and oh no, you did all my damage. I'm gonna. There we go. There we go. It's like so weird sometimes. Like you go from desperate wins to easy wins. Look at it. Okay, we need to go up. No. Oh, we got lucky. I don't know why you are here. You are not a 100% chance. I do wonder what makes it appear. Is it because I killed the trees? If I kill trees, that then this dude will appear. Could that be it? Come on. Should it goes to that, right? Because to be honest, this does not. It feels more like I play sloppy than it feels like super challenging. Just do like this, right? We start up and the circle's here. There we go. There we go. And there was my revolver win. Revolver win. Darkness 15 revolver win. Love it. It feels great. Means that we are one step closer to fully finishing the game, because we'll need to win 1, 2, 3 characters and with just 2 more weapons. So I feel like it's getting a lot closer. I'm going to end this video here. I thank you all for watching. I wish you all a very great life and an amazing night. And an amazing goodbye. Ciao, ciao.